Hey everybody, so we're going to be doing an unboxing. I've never done an unboxing video, but I'm just so geeked to see what's in these. This is from Zounds, Zounds.com. They sell microphones and, well, all musical instruments. But Billy reached out to me via I think LinkedIn or one of my socials, and saw my work and said, hey, would you be interested in trying out some new microphones and shooting some content? And I said, absolutely. Like I'm trying to see if I can beat what I got going on now with this Townsend, because I've been using it for probably about 2 years now. I also have a Manley here, a Sennheiser 416. I have a variety of microphones. They work in my voice. They're effective tools. So I'm very curious to see what other microphones will sound like, because I'm not in a place where I'm going to go out and buy another microphone, because what I have works, right? But I could be wrong is the point. So let's just get into this, and I have no idea what's going to be in here. So I will show you, and you can catch my expression as to what we're about to uncover. Okay, so this is a I don't know. An Antelope Audio Edge Duo. It looks like this. Antelope Audio Edge Duo. And I believe this is like a Townsend, where it's a mic modeling system. So for this, I'm definitely going to have to hook it up and get back to you. But wow, it comes with a pop filter. Comes with a pop filter, which is very nice. Usually you don't find that. Comes with it's just a little thinner than the Townsend Labs. It's got a very cool, like, copperish rose colored grill. It's got a nice solid weight to it. It also comes with a really neat shock mount, if I can get it out of there. Come here, you. Well, it's a very secure shock mount. Maybe I'll try going out the bottom. Oh, and some XLR cables and things below. A very nice shock mount. I would say, yeah, about the same quality as the Townsend Labs one. Very cool. So that is I'll let you know about it. Getting started with Antelope. So I'll have to download the software and get this guy going. I have never used another mic modeling microphone, so I'm interested to see what that comes out like. All right, let's see what else we got. So far, super stoked. Ooh, I don't even know what this is. Oh boy, how many things are in here? Okay, a luit. Make yourself heard. It looks like this. Really, really sturdy case. I mean, this thing is solid, man. This airplane travel, this is definitely a solid case. The Luit LCT 640 TS, and I'll have a link for all these in my link tree. You can find it. Interesting. Comes with a carrying case, and wow, it's a pretty heavy mic. Very, very pretty. All the different polar patterns and stuff. You can see, you can adjust. It looks like it lights up when you plug it in. It comes with this cool, wow, a cool little windscreen for it, built-in windscreen. I'll have to figure out how to install that, but it comes with it. That's awesome. And what it looks like, another shock mount. It has this style pop filter and then a shock mount. Very cool. Okay, so, I mean, I'm excited. So far, it looks like I have a lot of homework to connect all these and try these out, but I'm super excited to do it. I've always been a gearhead. I've always loved this stuff. Okay, so far we got two mics down. And this is just one of the two boxes. All right. Oh boy, this is heavy. Oh, that's a heavy one. What is this? This must have a battery pack or a power pack. The how do I say it? Lawton Audio. Let's open it up. It is very heavy. It is very, very heavy. Whatever is in this is very heavy. Did I say the name right? Lauten, Lawson. Lawson Audio. Okay, let's see what's in here. This thing is heavy. Wow. Wow, gorgeous. Look at that. A gorgeous red wood box. Real wood. That is nice. You know, it says something about good packaging, I have to say. Let's open this up. Holy smokes, that is gorgeous. Wow, this is a beast. Look at this thing. This is a monster microphone. Holy smokes, compare it to the... I thought the Townsend was a large microphone, but look at this guy. This is a Telefunken U47 size mic, and it's got some weight to it. Comes also with a shock mount here. I'm going to try to keep all these parts, you know, in their own kits here, so I got to be careful. And a case to put on it when you're not using it, which I should do. We all should be doing that, putting, you know, something over your mic to keep the dust out. I've been lazy about that. Holy smokes! But just the first impression of this. This is called the FC 387. FC387 microphone, and boy, if this thing sounds as good as it looks and feels, I may have just had my mind changed. Wow, very, very impressive with that. And this is, it's got a little clip there. Okay, let's set it down here. All right, we still got a whole nother box. Let's dive into this guy. Like I said, I'm super geeked, man. This is really cool. Really cool of Zounds. And all these microphones I'll link as I work with them and record some audio samples for everyone. Oh boy, what is this? This whole thing is just one microphone. This is called a WA47 tube condenser microphone by Warm Audio. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a heavy one also. That's a heavy one. Wow, it's a massive package here. It is very heavy. Let's open this guy up. The WA47 tube condenser microphone, a true 47 style capsule, large diaphragm. And if this thing looks as good as it does on the outside, that is going to be very impressive. Wow. Again, very nicely packaged. It comes with its, you can see it right here. It comes with a wood box that's carrying the microphone. Instructions, wood box carrying the microphone, shock mount here. I'll open this in a second. And I just want to show you how it's packaged, and it's power supply. I always like a good external power supply. I think they're fun. You know, it just reminds me of being in a studio when they have that external power supply. So let's open this up and take a look at this actual, I mean, again, the wood box is so classy, especially if you're spending the kind of money that these microphones are. To have that cool packaging is just, I think it's classy and it's awesome. But oh boy, wow, look at that! It's got like a suede insert on it too. And let's try to get this guy out of here. Whew, that's a heavy microphone. Oh boy, that is just gorgeous. That is just gorgeous. Wow. Put it in the light. I mean, you can see that bad boy. Wow. Man. It's Warm Audio. That's got some weight to it. I am so pumped to try these out. And I'll put them through their paces. I work on this thing every day, so I'm used to certain sounds, and you know, I'm open to looking for the perfect sound or a better sound, or because if I can do that research and find something better for certain applications or certain clients, I mean, then it just goes, the investment becomes worth it, right? But that was super impressive. I don't know which one I'm going to start with. I'll probably start setting these up, and I actually have, I think, 3 inputs. I have 4 inputs. I have a variety of inputs on my Apollo, so I can. How many stands do I have? I think I have 3 mic stands total too. So I mean, I can put this warm audio up against the Manly or up against a shotgun, and we can kind of do a shootout too. So which I plan to do. So. Super geeked. I got a lot of homework to do, but I'm so excited to, have a real first impression on these mics. I think it's just going to be so much fun. Thanks for watching.